Sanika, I am studying 7th class in Kumar CBSE school. Today my topic is density. Density, the definition of density is mass by volume. The units is kg per meter cube. The comparison of density of different liquids. Honey density is greater than water density. Water density is more than oil density. The density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. The comparison of different densities of object dropping on liquids. For this I am doing experiment. In the experiment, first we need to take one transparent gas and we need to pour some water on it. And after we need to pour some honey. This is honey. After we need to pour some oil to float in the water. These are the three layers of liquids. The honey sinks under the water because the honey has more density than water and oil. Because for that it settles down. Water has low density than honey. For that it is floating on the honey. Third one, the oil has low density than water and honey. So because of that it is floating on, settled down on the above the water. Three layers of liquids. First one is honey, second one is water, third one is oil. These are the three objects. First one is magnet, second one is bottle cap, third one is thermocol sheet. Now I am going to keep this in the glass. Second one is bottle cap, third one is thermocol sheet. These are the three objects. First one is magnet, second one is bottle cap, third one is thermocol sheet. The magnet has more density than water and oil. Because of that it sinks in the water. Second one, the cap. The cap has more density than water, for that it is floating in the water. Third one, aluminium foil. The thermocol sheet has less density than oil. For that it is floating on the oil. Thank you.